Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying those two lines of the 8th page of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on a transliteration. So the first letter is Noon, the second one is Ta. Another way of writing Ta. Noon Ta. Noon Ta. This is another way of writing Ha. 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 So that's if the first one is Ya, the second one is Ha, the third one is Ba. Ya Ha Ba. Ya Ha Ba. That's first one is Ba, the second one is Ha, the third one is Alif. Ba Ha Alif. Ba Ha Alif. The first letter is Ba, the second one is Ha, the third one is Mim. Ba Ha Mim. Ba Ha Mim. That's Dal on its own. Dal. Dal. Dal on its own. Dal. Dal. The first letter is Jim, the second one is Dal. Jim Dal. Jim Dal. The first letter is Kha, the second one is Dal. Kha Dal. Kha Dal. Ra on its own. Ra. Ra. Za on its own. Za. Za. The first letter is Jim, the second one is Ra. Jim Ra. Jim Ra. So this is the end of this session. In next session, inshallah, we will practice those two lines 10 times to give you enough practice. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.